Hi guys, welcome back, and I thought I would just vlog a bit of activity, what I'm doing either through the day or I might do it through a few days, I don't know yet. We'll just make up as we go. So I thought I'd just play my shed and show you really what I get up to. So far, this is my little coffin I'm working on. This is all wood. I've made this all by myself. I'm not used to working with wood. I've only got into it in the last few months, really, not very long. So this isn't finished, this is just a quick paint. So today I'm going to try and use my airbrush. I'm not that good with the old airbrush. Let's just turn the monsters down a moment. So yeah, so you'll see me working on this and maybe a couple of other things. This is the coffin that I did the other day. Can you see that against the orange? So just a case of playing around, because today is another gorgeous day. The sea is in, it's looking beautiful, but we can't go out. I can go out maybe later for a quick walk with Cookie, because that is classed as exercise. So yeah, just stick with me. I'm going to hook the GoPro up, probably do a bit of a time lapse and just see how it goes, play it by ear. So enjoy. And if you're working on coffins, you so need to have the monsters playing in the background, don't you? Let's go again, Alfred! Cannot beat the monsters. So I'm just working my way through the seasons. So how cool. Right, let's get to work. So, I was working on the coffin, having an enjoyable time, and I looked outside at the old alligator, and I thought, I'm going to paint you. So that's what we're going to do now, from coffin to alligator like that. I'll show you him. This is him. He looks a bit knackered, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint him. This is how the coffin has turned out. So not bad. So I'm just going to whack a bit of varnish on it. And yeah, that should be good. Then it will be Operation Crocodile. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So this is the crocodile that we're going to paint. It's not an alligator, it's a crocodile. And as you can see, it's had a lot of wear over the years because this is left outside. So it will need a wash first. And I'll have to fill those holes up with something. I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but we will see how it goes, really. So wish me luck. Okay guys, so this is the following morning of me washing the crocodile, and I've noticed some holes in him. There's one there. So obviously I'm no expert on fiberglass, but I'm just going to try and fix some holes the best I can. And the thing I can think of is Gorilla Wood glue with some sawdust mixed in, because it's waterproof glue, is that. So as long as it adheres to this, I'm hoping it'll work. And I don't have fiberglass paint either, so it will all be exciting, but we'll give it a whirl, like I say. So I have some sawdust shavings in there. I've got my wood glue over there. So if I mix these into a paste, I'm hoping that I can fix a couple of the holes at least. It's worth a shot, innit? This is how you learn. You learn from mistakes. You learn from just giving stuff a whirl if you're not sure. The consistency of porridge, and what I'm trying to do is just fill up as many holes as I can. So for this one, as you saw before, I put a bit of kitchen roll in the hole and then went over it with some of this glue, just so it packs out the hole a bit better. This one keeps sinking in because I didn't put anything in behind it. So I filled the holes with the wood glue and sawdust mix. So I am just waiting now for it to set, and then I will have to sand parts down because I did put quite a bit in just to make sure it didn't sink in when it was drying. But overall, it's not looking too bad. It looks like he's got a bit of snot on his nose. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. What I've done so far is I've just had a bit of a tester, and I've got some gloss paint, household gloss paint, and I've been mixing it with these acrylics. Some are enamels, quite a few enamels, but yeah, just your bog standard acrylics. And I got these ones from Hobby Lobby in the sale, so that's even better. So yeah, so I thought I'll just give it a whirl, try and mix it with some gloss paint, because that'll stick to the fiberglass a bit better. So come and have a look and see. And this is so far, so it's not actually too bad. I'm quite impressed with the look so far, and it is sticking pretty well. So I'm going to start off with my light colours and then gradually add the dark colours, because it's easier to go over light than it is to go over dark. So what I've done is I've mixed this off yellow colour, and I'm going to concentrate on the eye. Can you see my shadow? Hi. Yes, I'm going to concentrate on the eye. So that's going to be off yellow with your pupil, and I'll darken the outside. Let's just see how it goes. The eyes sorted for now. They're not 100%, but they are getting there. So now I'm going to concentrate on finishing the green. Done all the green. I started off with a light green, then I added some darker ones which I haven't finished with, but at the minute I'm just going to go over it with some yellow. So if you can see in there, and it is pretty much just dry brushing it on. Got a bit too much on there, get rid of some of that. Just working it until you get the right colour that you want. I'm going to also add some browns on here, some different greens. Just so you know, that bring out some highlights. Not looking too shabby though, we're getting there. And I'm going to call it a day on him. I think he's done. I don't want to overwork him because then it'll just ruin what I've done. So I don't know if you can get all the colours in there, but there's all different greens and yellows and browns coming through. I think I'm quite impressed with him. He turned out better than what I thought he would. So I'm going to go and put him back where he belongs. Oh, and my little wood glue bit, you know, that little patch that I did there and all over it, that worked. So I'm very impressed because there's a big bit around there somewhere, so you can't even tell. So very impressed, I'm very happy. So there he is. Just needs a name now. Look at the state of my hair, Jesus. Woo. Anyway, yeah, so it's just gloss paint and some acrylics, some Americana enamel paints. For the holes that showed you, I used this Gorilla Wood glue with sawdust in it, and on some of the holes I just went over with excuse me, I can't find it. Oh, this actually there's one here. So I just went over it with this, some epoxy from the pound shop, because a couple of the holes started to sink a bit, so I just put some of that in it. Worked a treat. I think just a bit of sandpaper. So that was a fiberglass body, and I'm really, really impressed with how it has turned out. So what I might do just before putting it back is just put a bit of protective spray on him. Or her. Or her. So very, very impressed. Yeah. So hope you found this okay, or you just enjoyed it, or you learned something from it. Fantastic. So yeah, so give us thumbs up if you like. Oh god, my hair's a mess. Do a thumbs up or whatever you want. Comment, subscribe, you name it. This is your time. You do whatever you want. I'm just rambling now, aren't I? So I'm gonna go. So thanks for staying with me, and yeah, see you later. Bye.